Hey guys, it's Tessa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be re-dyeing my hair. So as you can see, my hair has faded quite multi-tonal from the last time that I dyed it. So the plan is to re-dye my hair, make it more of an even colour, because you can see at the front it's got some light pink shades in the front, it's got some purple shades in the bottom, and then even the dreadlocks here, they've gone kind of a magenta colour. So it's like pink, magenta, but you can see there's quite a lot of different shades of pink and purple. So I'm going to recolor it, make it a lot more of a brighter shade. Well, it's pretty bright already, but I just feel like making myself feel better. So I'm going to be using these hair dyes. Okay, so these are the hair dyes that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use the Arctic Mist Diluter, which is a lovely conditioning product that you can dilute the hair dye to make it pastel. So I'm going to dilute the purple just a little bit and put this in my bangs, or my fringe, if it's English, American. And then I'm going to use the Blue Jean Baby. I'm going to mix this with a little bit of the purple and the diluter, and I'm going to put this on the rest of my hair. So if you're unsure of what the colour will turn out like just by looking at it, you can take a little bit on the brush, put it on some paper, and you'll see what sort of tone it will turn out if you have a blonde coloured base. I haven't mixed Blue Jean Baby before with another hair dye, so I'm excited to see what it's going to turn out like. So I've got the colour here that I've mixed up and I am excited. Look at this beautiful violet tone. So I've had this purple hair now for a couple of months. I think I dyed it this colour in November, and yeah, it's faded a little bit. I've enjoyed having the purple hair, but I just want to kind of change it up a little bit, start heading more towards the blues and those sorts of lovely shades. I'm just going to be re-dyeing my bangs hot purple, so this section here, and then with the rest of my hair I'm going to be using the beautiful custom colour that we mixed up earlier with the Blue Jean Baby and the Purple Rain, a little bit of the diluter, and then I'm going to put this all over the rest of my hair. So I do have partial dreadlocks. I have dreadlocks at the back of my hair, and everything underneath here is all dreaded. So I've got the best of both worlds. I love dreadlocks so much. Having the loose hair at the front makes it a lot thicker, and having the dreadlocks just makes it that funky style that is just a part of me. This hair dye doesn't stain the skin, but it's always good to take a precaution just in case if you want to go and leave the house, go shopping or something, and you haven't got like a big blue purple mark on your face. It's always good. Alright, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've taken down my backdrop so you can focus more on my features. Ha ha ha. Right, okay, I'm just super excited to just get hair dye all over the place. Right, so to start off I'm gonna separate the hair that belongs to my bangs, so a little bit at the front. I'm gonna re-dye this bit first. So this section I originally cut for my bangs is completely gone now. I don't even know where to start. I'm just going to take the shorter hair we have at the front of my head, and I'm just going to dye that because there's no point in cutting a fringe in or cutting bangs in again, just so we can, you know, grab a section. We're going to take this purple hair dye and we're going to put it all over. There we go. Ooh, exciting. Okay, next colour. Now to be safe, just change your gloves or wash your gloves, wipe your gloves off if you like to reuse or recycle. But I'm just going to change my gloves for the next colour, so we don't mix it up and have like a section of weirdness. So now we've done the bangs, I'm literally putting this colour all over my hair. Exciting bit, I know, I'm excited. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Let's do this. Oh yeah. I always think it's nicer to mix your own custom colour, because then it's different. If you see other people that use the same hair dye as you, it's not going to be the same colour, so mixing a custom colour is always best. It's cold. I'ma wake up, new bench. Join them 7 6 boredom. Working all night, on and how it blends into the previous colour. I really like this look actually, but I think I'm gonna mix some more blue. Okay, I'm gonna get some conditioner and mix some conditioner in this because I've put too much purple in and it's too purple now, so I'm gonna put conditioner in and then just put a load of the blue in there. So I've actually ended up using like the whole bottle of the Arctic Mist Diluter. I'm going to use conditioner and use the Tessarr conditioner. This one contains no dyes, no silicone. Use that instead. Fill it up! I'm also expecting a package today, so I really hope it does not come like halfway through doing this. Now I've got way too much hair dye. I've mixed so much of this hair dye, trying to get it the same colour as the one I did on that bit of paper, but I really can't. It just has too much purple in, so I'm just going to whack it on anyway. Okay, so you can see by the colour swatches, this is the dye that I just mixed and this is the dye that I've got on my head, so it is a little bit more purple, but we're just going to pop it on because I've got so much of this hair dye now that I've mixed up. So I'm going to whack it on and we'll see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's better. Try not to get it on the wall behind me. Blends so nicely into that purple. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's always good to mix too much hair dye than too little, so whack this colour all over. Just went on my boob. Nice. I don't think I can put any more hair dye on my head. I can feel the weight of the dreadlocks saturated with the hair dye. Oh my god, I got it on the wall. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna have to paint this wall now. Oh jeez. Oh no. How that's fucked up. Okay, so I'm going to leave the hair dye on my head for about 45 minutes to an hour. Then I'm going to get in the shower, rinse it out, and we'll see what it looks like. See you in a bit. I got it off the wall. How? Well, I used thick bleach. I put a little bit on a sponge and I just went over the wall and it came right off. Look at that. It's actually cleaner now than it was before I got the hair dye on. Do you like my beautiful shower cap? So I'm just going to leave it in the shower cap to process. I don't want to get hair dye all over the place, seeing as I got it on the wall, got it on my back, got it everywhere. So keep it in there. Keep it in there. So pretty, so bright and so shiny. My hair feels in great condition. It's exactly what I was trying to go for. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys.